Hello everyone, I'm Nitya Mirchandani and I'm a director in Aries Agro since the past 10 years, although I have been in this family for the past 30 years.
How does the company support and empower employees to excel in their roles, and what practices help foster a positive work environment?
Anyone working over here will vouch that they are given enough leverage and responsibility to take on their own decisions. In fact, I know for a fact that Rahul always tells them to do so because he feels that only by doing this they will grow, and by making mistakes, even if they do so, that's the only way they learn. So that is what I feel.
And if you could name a defining moment or decision in Aries Agro's history that shifted its path, what would it be and why?
I can only describe the company as a tree. So the roots were Bala Mirchandani and Dr. TBM Mirchandani, and the stem, the bark, has been Jimmy Mirchandani, and the branches and the leaves that are growing today is all Rahul Mirchandani. So I feel that the biggest growth that the company has seen is after Rahul has entered the company. I'm not saying this because he's my husband, I'm saying this because he's the best.
Could you talk about any outreach or social responsibilities initiatives that are particularly meaningful to the company?
Aries has been consciously serving the society for the past 56 years, and it was a choice, a privilege, and an honor to serve the society much before it was made mandatory.
If you could encapsulate the essence of the company's legacy in one sentence, what would it be?
Aries has always paid more attention to family in the true sense, and by that I mean everyone associated with the company through so many generations.
Please describe Aries in 3 words.
If I had to pick just 3 words, then it would be ethical, reliable, and cultured. I built Aries.